Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Near, wanted to cover this because yesterday, well, not really, but yesterday I heard some things about Near. Just wanted to cover it. It's been a while. I know that there's a, well, significant is maybe a big word, but I know that there's a number of you who actually care quite a lot about Near. So I just wanted to cover it. And I also do think, even though Bitcoin at this point of time is quite weak, we actually saw some recovery yesterday afternoon and also during the Asian session today. And I think Near can actually perform quite well if we actually do get some recovery. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts, all right? We'll do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about the fundamentals. And in the end, hopefully you are optimally prepared for what's about to happen next. Now, just in general, if you look at Near right now, it's not bullish, of course. I mean, you could say that this is one big bullish flag, which is a possibility, all right? It's definitely possible that this is a bullish flag and that we will continue to go up towards $10 and 11.5, which are the next main price targets. But in these market circumstances, I would say it's more likely that this is just a real downtrend. Which still, if this is a downtrend, that still means that there's potential to go up to, for example, $7 and maybe higher. However, it also means that it's it's not bullish. I don't think the market structure right now for Near is bullish. All right, on the daily it is not, and on the 4-hour time frame you can also see after those two dumps we had on Friday and Saturday, we made lower lows right here, which not every crypto did, and we haven't been able to get a bullish breakout. Right, even the 28 EMA, which we tested overnight, or at least in my time zone. Even that provided enough resistance. Now you can see, and this is the main thing that I think is interesting, or this is the main thing that could actually lead to something. You can see that there's some momentum building up right here, right? So also if you look at some additional statistics for Near, what you can see, and this is the same throughout the entire market, but for Near it's a bit stronger. What you can see is that we've actually gained some momentum, all right? Since yesterday afternoon, the CVD has been relatively positive. Now, since the last couple of hours, it has dropped down quite a bit. So that means that potentially shorts are being opened, which is not necessarily bearish, because it also means that we have some more liquidity at the top towards the supply side. But you can see that the open interest right here is still moving up. Now, like I said, most of that is probably short positions, but still. It's better to have some momentum than none at all. And then if we talk about the fundamentals for Near, fundamentals are pretty good, all right? So here you can see I wanted to see something else. Can I not see? Yeah, so here's the total value locked. Total value locked is down, of course, but it actually kept increasing. I think it's one of the networks that actually had a positive TVL and a positive TVL delta for the longest period of time, until basically 1.5 weeks ago. So fundamentally, Near quite strong. Right now, the main question is well, it's going to be quite boring, but Near is showing potential. And it can do something here, but it's also correlated to Bitcoin for about 95%. So in the end, I think Near has the potential. The main level to break is somewhere around 5.8 and $6, psychological level, but also strong technical level. What we want to do is we want to break above that. All right, it seems likely we're going to test it. But the only way we can break above that and not just find resistance there and drop down is if we actually break above that. And that's only possible, I think, if Bitcoin turns relatively bullish. All right, so if Bitcoin gets some sort of a breakout above 65,000, I then expect that Near can break above 5.8 and $6 and rally a little bit, at least up to that price target at 7 and 6.75. Otherwise, and that's why you need to keep an eye on Bitcoin, otherwise we will test that level and just from there start to drop back down towards 5 and 4.5. So those are my thoughts. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin, then you'll know what to expect, what's most likely. But those are my thoughts, and that's what you need to know on Near for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.